up, y'all? What's up? What's going on? If you guys have seen my previous video on how I colored my locks red, then you ended up here because I made a retwist video anyway. I just slid it on over. I said might as well just record it. If somebody want to watch it, I'm putting it out anyway. So with that being said, I have all my supplies out that I'm going to use. It's a few new things that I haven't used before. It's new to me, but it's a few of my favorites here that I have, and we're just gonna retwist. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna be using today, and we can get started. Okay, so this is everything I'm gonna be using. I have some aloe vera gel. This is new, that I never used before. It's new for me. I heard aloe vera is good for your hair to grow and, you know, add moisture and just to be healthy. So I said I was just gonna give this a try. I was walking around at Walmart and I needed some gel. I said I might as well pick something that was healthy. So I usually use flaxseed. I make it at home, but I was just shopping too much. Girl, bought up the stuff. So I bought some aloe gel. This is new. This is a YouTuber. I'll drop her name in the video. She does a nighttime routine, and she mentioned this product because it helps with itchy scalp, but it also promotes growth. Her locks are very long and healthy, so I'm like, hey, if she got to that length, I'm trying to get there too. If she using this, I will go ahead and give it a try. So that's why I got this. It's an oil. I'm sure y'all seen this before. I have never used it, but if it's gonna help with a little bit of itching to relieve it, and if it's going to help my hair grow, I'm for it. This is my baby. I always use this oil, but baby is running out. Like, it's a little bit left, but I've been using this since I started growing my locks, like in 2018. And I really believe in this product. I don't work for them. I'm not getting no type of money, nothing. I just really believe in it because everybody's hair that I put this on, I just start noticing like their hair just start growing back and thicker and better. But I'm running out and I wanted to try something new. So, you know, this is one of my favorites. But what I was going to try new was this baby right here, Do Grow. Now, like I said, the same YouTuber who put me on to this also mentioned some Do Grow. Now, she had anti-itch Do Grow. I couldn't find it, but this stimulating hair oil didn't sound too bad. I mean, it promotes healthy, strong hair. It has lots of healthy vitamins and herbs and oils, and it helps with dry scalp, tame those little frizzes, and it helps to reduce breakage, which will allow my hair to grow longer. It's a win-win situation, stimulating your hair to grow, Do Grow. So I'm gonna try this out today. Also, just got some, you know, water, you know, just to go along this retwist. I got my little comb, little red tail comb, my nasty but trusty edge brush, and some hair clips. That's all I'm gonna be using. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section off my hair, put the back all in one ponytail, and then I usually split these in half because I always like have a side part. I'll start in the front. Like back when I first started retwisting, I used to always start in the back, but I don't know, it was just taking me so long, and I tried to start in the front, work my way to the back, because the front you take such a long time because that's the first thing you see. So I figure you might as well just get the hard stuff out the way, the longest part out the way, and then the back just fly through it. So I just started doing my front first, and then I do my back last, and it seemed to be quicker. But that's what I've been doing. That's what I'm gonna do again today. So I'm gonna section off my hair, and we're gonna start in the front. it. So what I'm gonna do, start right here. As long as my part is, because my part's not all the way straight, I don't have a set parting. I started these myself and they not perfect at all, but they grown and I love them. As far as my parting, how it goes, it's not perfect at all. When I do my retwist, I just try and make sure everything is just pretty much clean and twisted. I'm gonna just start right here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. That parting, it ain't perfect. I try, I clean it up a little bit. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little bit of the sulfur 8 medicated stuff I was talking about earlier. It don't really smell like nothing. I mean, it smells medicated, like Vicks. You know, Vicks smell medicated, but this not strong like Vicks. It ain't gonna be like, oh my god, but it kind of remind me of it. I'm taking a little bit because I don't like too much product in my hair. I'm still getting to know my hair, what's too much for it, what causes build up. So when I use products, I just try and use a little bit just to test my hair to see how she gonna act. You know how her hair be. So just take a little bit, put it on that scalp. And run it down on that new growth. Then I'm going to take some of my new oil. Just going to put it right on the scalp. And when it comes to oil in my edges, I like for it to be on there enough to where it feel good to me. Like I don't drench it, but you know how your hair feel good and moisturized. That's what I'm doing. Okay, and just go ahead and pull that product through. It could use a little bit of water. And I normally just use gel like on my front ones. Any ones in the back, oil and water pretty much is good for me. So with that being said, I'm gonna just start with this one that's back here. And I always just kind of like palm roll away from my face, going backwards. And just gonna pin it back. Now we're gonna do the front. Pull that product through. And I noticed, like when I got like, I don't know if this is a long baby hair or what, but I'm putting her back. Now I'm gonna just try some of this gel. A little bit. Like, put it right up on, right there. Put a little bit more, like right here on the little box. I'm gonna take that little extra, or just wrap her around. Cause she done lost her way. Take my little brush. Like I said, palm roll away from my face. Backwards. Twist it until it's too tight and it's starting to bend. I heard about that, it's too tight, so just have it nice and straight. Kind of, yeah, like that. So, clippity clip clip. Been combing my new growth down because I watched another video and he said when you comb that new growth down, it helps promote the lock to the lock. So I should have been there. I'm gonna just start right now. I just thought about it. Okay. I'm gonna stop right here. My battery is about to die, but I will come back and show you guys fully retwisted. But I just pretty much want to show you the products I'm using and how I'm retwisting and the final result. Alright, I'll be back. Hey y'all, I'm back after the camera died yesterday. It's a whole new day today, so here I am. This is how the retwist turned out. I'm right back where I need to be. I'm outside because sunlight is the best light. So I hope you guys can see how it turned out. And I'm still loving the color. Alright, let me know if you guys want any other videos from me in the comments below. Be nice, and I'll see you guys next time.